Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you are the students who are basically preparing for the WBJ 2023, then this video is for you guys. Because in this video, I will provide you the complete syllabus of mathematics for WBJ 2023. Besides that, I will also give you some of the important tips and tricks to get good marks in the mathematics. Because you know guys, in the WBJ exam, mathematics have a key importance, a great importance. And out of 200 marks, 100 marks is reserved for mathematics. So no doubt mathematics is an important subject. So how can you score more marks in mathematics? Okay, and first I will tell you what the syllabus. So before moving to the video guys, if you are new viewer to my channel, support my channel providing such important video. And you can also join my telegram channel that is the latest for the WBJ 2023. Okay, here you will get all important update. So let me talk about the syllabus of mathematics. So in the mathematics, there are various parts, sections divided. Okay, first is the algebra, then the matrices, trigonometry, and calculus. Obviously, okay. So first, what is the important topics of the algebra that you have to cover? Okay. So first, almost once your question is from the AP, GP, and HP sequence. Okay, one question is almost in every year, guys. Okay, so you have to go through. Means you have to basically clear all the concept related to the AP, GP, and HP concept. Okay. Next, the important things that you have to cover here, the summation of first n term of series. Okay, where how can you find the summation of first n term n square and n cube? Okay, that is the basically general question that kept, or you can say that come almost in every year, guys. Okay, so this is the algebra first. Okay, that is the APGP series. Then you have to study logarithmic definition, general property, that not much more important, but just you have to go through the statement and all things, because one or two objective may come from that. Then important thing that is from the complex number, so you have to study the complex number too for the WBJ exam. And I think the syllabus is same. If you are preparing for the JEE main, then in comparative to the JEE main, syllabus is little bit easier, guys. Okay, so you have to means not give much more extra attention for WBJ. But purpose of saying this information, that yeah, you have to know that yeah, from this topic, this topic important question came. Okay, so from the complex number, almost one or two questions here, especially related to the triangle inequality, conjugate, and all things. Okay. Then De Moivre's theorem is very important. Only statement, and from the quadratic equation in complex number, one question came. Okay. Okay, that is basically a repeated question. Beside that, some talking about the syllabus, other that is from the polynomial equation, so n degree equation with early n roots. Okay, statements, so you have to go only. Then quadratic equation with real coefficient, relation between the various roots and coefficient. Okay, that is the imaginary uh, equal roots and all things. Okay. Next important chapter, that is from the permutation and combination. This is the chapter, guys, that is one question is sure from permutation and combination, and that is also sure question for the JEE main too. Okay, and from WBJ point of view, it is also important, guys. So एक क्वेश्चन आपका इसमें श्योर है. So from permutation combination, what are the topics? So permutation of n different things taken at a time. Okay, then permutation of things not all different, permutation of repetition, circular permutation. These are the topics you have to study. Besides that, you can also take screenshot of permutation combination. Next is that principle of mathematical induction. Actually, this is not much more important in context to the WBJ exam. Okay, but if you want go through, then just go to a statement and proof. Okay, because you know all the question will be from objective type. Then you have to study binomial theorem, where you have to just study the statement of theorem, general term, middle term, and equidistant term, and properties of binomial coefficient. Next topic you have to study, very important, that from that topic more than 3 to 4 question came, that is the matrices. Okay, that is simply called matrices and determinant. So in the matrices and determinant, you have to study concept of MN. Okay, real matrix क्या होता है, ऑपरेशन ऑफ एडिशन, स्केलर मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डॉट प्रोडक्ट and all things. Okay, how to find transpose of matrix. Okay, means little bit more question from the minor and cofactor. These are also important things, that is you have to study the minor, cofactor, and adjoint of matrix. How can you find adjoint? Okay, not from the direct one, but there are some mixed question related to the minors, cofactor, and all things. Next important question that came from the sets theory. Okay, from the sets theory, what is the relation between the sets and mapping, idea of set, subset, superset. Okay, you may ask to basically form one of the set and all things. Next important topics, that is the relation and its properties and equivalence relation. Okay, basically you have to just study the definition and elementary example. Okay, mapping, range and domain, injective, surjective, and bijective mapping. Okay, these are the things you have to study. Next important topic that you have to study, statistics and probability. So from the probability also two question is sure. Okay, either you can say from related to the conditional probability and Bayes theorem. Once your question from this guy, so you have to make the clear concept related to this, because guys, if you will get good marks, then there is also a chance for getting Jadavpur University, Jalpaiguri and various important college under WBJ. Okay, so for that maths is important. Next, from the trigonometry, almost every topic is important, like the trigonometric function, addition, subtraction, and various formula related to that. Okay, besides the property of trigonometry, inverse trigonometry, and all things. Next, from coordinate geometry, distance formula, section formula, area of triangle. Okay, that is general. That is all of for the CBSE board or any state board exam too. Same syllabus, guys. Talking for the next, that is the slope of a line. Okay, so how can you find the equation of a line and all things? Then the equation of a circle with a given center and radius. Condition that are general equations of second degree. Okay, that is for x by may represent circle, equation of a circle. Then equation of a common chord of two intersecting circles. So these are the topics we have to study for the WBJ 2023. Okay, and remember guys, very important section is algebra. Okay, means from the algebra and calculus, that is almost important syllabus for all the exam, that is the JEE main or board exam and all things. Okay, so for the coordinate geometry, you have to study the direction cosine and direction ratio, distance between 2 points and all things. Then calculus, I think that you have to study the differential equation, how to find differentiation और मीन्स comparative to JEE main easy question मैं बार बार बोल रहा हूँ. okay, तो आपको यार टेंशन की जरूरत नहीं है. Then you have to study the differentiation equation, definite integral, indefinite integral. So these are the common topics that almost in every exam, in WBJ exam, you have to cover this topic. Okay, then application of calculus, very important. That is the how to find tangent, normal, condition of tangency, determination of monotonicity. Okay, that is the maxima and minima. So these are the topics you have to study in the calculus, guys. Okay, so this is the complete topics of the mathematics. I hope video gonna informative to you. You can also take the screenshot of all that topics. Okay, or I will provide link in description, or you can simply download the syllabus from the WBJ website too. Okay, so main top things that I want to say here, that if you are preparing for the JEE main, then this exam is comparative to that very easy, guys. Okay, in comparative to that, but to attend a good marks, means if you will get more than 150 160 marks, then Jadavpur University will be sure for you. Okay, means you have to be under the 100 and 200 rank, because Jadavpur University is competing with the IIT. Okay, so you have to be careful for the preparation of WBJ 2023, and I hope your study is going so good. Okay, and if you want these type of important updates, then you can also join my Telegram channel for especially for the WBJ candidates, that is WBJ 2023 fresh group I am creating today. So you can also join Telegram channel, that's where I will give you the important updates and college review and all things. So you can also join if you are interested. Okay, now tips I want to share you, that first you have to cover all the topics, okay, from the NCERT, and after that you have to basically go through the previous year question paper that you can get from the WBJ official website. Okay, so this is the complete things I want to share with you. I hope video was informative to you. For such kind of informative video, make sure to support and subscribe my channel to get such important update, and share with your friends so they can also get information related to that. I hope video was informative to you. Till then, bye bye. Meet you in the next video. Jai Hind.